Good morning, everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to set meeting or to schedule a meeting with your class. Supposing you have opened already your Teams, so you will want to schedule a meeting or a class to your students. For instance, we're going to have English. From there, on your screen, look for the camera icon found at the bottom of your screen. It says Meet Now. Click on that Meet Now. Then you can schedule your meeting, for example, lesson 1 English, and look for the schedule meeting here on this icon with a calendar. Click on that. Then you can put the information you need. You can revise. You may revise the timings and the dates in here. Also, you can also have it in order for all day or in other options. Then you can have your instructions here, like telling your students to be online 10 minutes before the class and all of that. After which you can send that already to your class and it will appear to their calendar. One way also of doing a meeting, directly having a meeting with your students, as everybody knows about their timetable, you can click again on the camera Meet Now. It will open your screen in this. So this is going to be again lesson 1 English. You can click on Meet Now as everybody is waiting already at that particular time. Okay, so this will appear on your screen. You have here some suggested students who are online, and you may also add some students here if you wish. Also, on your student's screen, it will appear there that meeting is going on, and there's a button there that says join. They can click on that, and they can automatically join to your meeting. Then you can end up hanging up the meeting, or you can also click on this icon on your screen, that is to share your screen. Like for instance, you wanted to share your PowerPoint. Now I'm sharing my PowerPoint. You can directly have your students seeing your materials. Then you can have already your class directly to your students. Okay. Also, if you wanted to record your session, click on this icon again, the triple dot, start recording. It will all record your session from the beginning to the end. And then it's going to be automatically be saved in your chat. And students can look at it if they have missed the sessions. Thank you so much. I hope you have learned today. That ends our video tutorial. Have a great day. Bye.